Hello, and welcome to ServiceNow 201 Development. My name is Mark Miller, and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. In this section, I'll provide a brief introduction. I'll tell you why you should take this course. We'll cover the course structure and the course outline. We'll go over navigating the course. Then we'll discuss any prerequisites that you should have before taking this course. We'll then talk about what you'll need to take this course. I'll then provide an overview of the instance I'll be using throughout this course, and I'll wrap up this section by discussing the course goals. So, let's get started. So, a little bit about myself first. I've been using ServiceNow on just about a daily basis for the past 4 or 5 years. About 2 or 3 years ago, I transitioned into consulting, which is what I currently do. I've been a part of many successful ServiceNow implementations, as well as general ServiceNow support. I have a Master of Science in Computer Information Systems from Boston University, and I have a Bachelor of Science in Management Information Systems from Wright State University. I personally love to travel, so if you know of any awesome locations to check out, definitely let me know. For more information, I recommend checking out my personal website or connect with me on LinkedIn. Alright, enough about myself. So, why take this course? Well, if you want a deeper understanding of how ServiceNow actually works behind the scenes, then I definitely recommend this course. This course will help you master scripting within ServiceNow, so you can do awesome things like build custom applications or build complex integrations to other systems. This course will benefit any developers or consultants, system admins, or really anyone interested in learning more about ServiceNow. So this course is broken up into 10 sections, where each section is made up of videos, slides, demos, and quiz questions. There's also a workbook at the end of the course. Alright, so let's take a look at the course outline. So we're currently in the first section, the course introduction. After this section, we'll jump into section 2, where I'll provide a development overview. Then in section 3, we'll cover the most important scripting locations that you need to know as a ServiceNow developer. In section 4, we'll get started with our first ServiceNow API, the Glide record. Then in section 5, we'll cover the Glide System API. In section 6, we'll switch gears to client-side APIs, where we'll discuss the Glide Form and Glide User API. Then in section 7, we'll discuss the complex and somewhat mysterious Glide Ajax API. In section 8, we'll explore a number of other APIs within ServiceNow, and I'll even show you how to create your own. In section 9, we'll cover how you can become a scripting master by discussing important concepts like debugging and what to do when you get stuck. Finally, in section 10, we'll take everything that we've learned throughout this course and we'll build a custom application. Okay, now let's discuss a little bit about navigating the course. So if you feel like I'm going too quickly over something, you can actually slow down the video, or if I'm going too slow, you can actually speed up the video as well. If you don't understand a concept, try rewatching the videos. If you have questions specific to the course, or even general ServiceNow questions, I highly recommend posting to the course's Q&A. Chances are, if you're asking a question, other students probably have the same question. So, not only would you be helping yourself by asking the question, you can think of it as you're helping the community as well. Throughout this course, I'll have a number of these notification topics that appear in slides. I have a note topic, which is where I'll just add additional information to a specific slide. Caution, which means you should be cautious of whatever the notification is covering. A dive deeper notification, which generally includes a link to an additional article or video, a best practice notification, which outlines a specific best practice on how to do something, and finally, a 101 notification, which notifies you that a specific topic was covered in my ServiceNow 101 administration course. Finally, I have client-side and server-side icons. So the two green circles on the right represent the first being server-side or the second being client-side. So if you see these icons in the top right corner of any slide, then it's safe to assume that the specific topic that I'm covering relates to either server-side or client-side.